Incredible engineering that enables incredible performance. By lubricating the engine, the oil isn't simply keeping it running smoothly, it's protecting it and preventing damage. Oil begins its journey in the engine's sump, a reservoir of oil. From here, it gets pumped around the engine. The oil pump is vital to the life of the engine. It sucks oil up from the sump through a pickup tube, pressurizes it, and sends it around the entire engine through a circuit of oilways. From the pump, the oil travels to the oil filter, which removes microscopic particles and supplies clean oil to the rest of the engine. Clean oil flows to all the critical engine parts. The bearings, supporting the crankshaft on a continuous film of oil. Pistons, cooled down and kept clean by the oil's detergent action. And the valve train, protected by the oil's anti-wear system. Loads in the valve train are the highest in the engine. This is where the oil experiences the most stress. To avoid friction and damaging wear, these fast-moving metal components must be lubricated. The oil is the only thing preventing metal-to-metal contact. Returning to the sump via oil return channels, the oil completes its journey. This whole journey can take as little as 5 seconds. Throughout the oil's journey, its primary function is to protect. It does this in many ways, reducing friction and metal-to-metal contact, reducing wear throughout the drive, and reducing harmful deposits. Regular maintenance with a quality oil and filter will protect and preserve the heart of the car, the engine, keeping it running at its best for longer. It's more than just oil. It's liquid engineering.